So this right here is the Midnight Black collection from PlayStation. A whole bunch of lovely peripherals for your PS5 in a fresh new super sleek black colour. And this includes the excellent DualSense Edge controller, perfect for a bit of pro gaming. Got the PlayStation Portal, so you can keep your PS5 session up even when the kids have nicked the telly. The Pulse Elite wireless headset, using PlayStation's Clever Pants Link technology. And the Pulse Explore wireless earbuds, if you want something a bit more compact. Now the Midnight Black collection will be available from PlayStation from February the 20th. Let's have a bit of a gander at these snazzy peripherals. You can check out all the information and snaffle your own by clicking the link in the video description below. And a massive thanks to PlayStation UK for sponsoring this video, keeping the old lights on at Techspert Towers. So let's begin with the DualSense Edge wireless controller. Now this comes bundled in a smart Wii carry case. As you can see, room in the case for the DualSense Edge controller and all the extra accessories, including a handy pouch up top for the USB cable. This is a pretty solid hardware in case, you don't need to worry about your controller getting roughed up on any journey. I particularly like this wee flap around back, which allows you to charge the DualSense Edge without even taking it out of the case. The DualSense Edge is basically a DualSense controller with extra clever bits hoyed on. Previously you could pick this up in a white and black combo, but now it is fully 100% undisputably black. The DualSense Edge boasts slip-resistant inner grips and also more grippy triggers, which I'm certainly grateful for during those more intensive gaming sessions. But the biggest design changes for the DualSense Edge are the customizable bits. So for instance, you've now got pop-off thumbstick caps. These snap off nice and easy, as you can see there. And then you've got a few alternatives that you can chuck on in their place. And again, the alternative thumb caps are nice and grippy, so your thumbs won't go sliding off them. And another great feature of the DualSense Edge is the adjustable trigger lengths. It's got to flick these switches on the back here, and you can make the trigger length as deep or as shallow as you like. Ideal for fast-paced action games like God of War Ragnarok. And unlike the original DualSense controller, the DualSense Edge also boasts a pair of mappable back buttons. And these can be configured to replace any other button on the DualSense Edge controller, which again, very handy if you're trying to pull off some tricky combo in a fast-paced action title. But one of the best new features of the DualSense Edge is the ability to set up individual profiles for each of your games. Just jump on into Custom Profiles, and you can remap all of the controller's buttons. You can even fiddle with the stick sensitivity, choosing from a number of presets, and then tweaking it so it's just right. And you can even adjust the dead zone for each stick as well, so it suits your personal preference. You could also do the same for those triggers. And then you can immediately jump straight back into your game just to make sure the new settings work. And in games like God of War Ragnarok with multiple protagonists, you can swap between different profiles on the fly. And this controller also boasts some seriously strong rumble feedback. You happen to set it down just as a particularly violent cutscene kicks off, it'll be halfway across the room in about 5 seconds flat. And of course, the DualSense Edge isn't just great for gaming on the PlayStation 5. You can also pair it up with a PC or a gaming laptop, and use it to absolutely dominate in games like Helldivers 2. Other great features include changeable faceplates, and a cable lock so it doesn't get accidentally yanked out of your controller if things get a bit frantic. As for the battery life, well, you can expect about 4 full hours of wireless gaming action from your DualSense Edge before it needs to be plugged back in. Next up is the PlayStation Portal Remote Player, previously only available in white, now in a sleek black finish. This nifty handheld game streamer kind of looks like two halves of a DualSense controller, with a bright and punchy 8-inch display slapped right in the middle. You've got the same tensile triggers and rumbly haptic feedback as the DualSense and DualSense Edge controllers, the same smooth thumbsticks and all the same buttons that you get on a regular controller too. And that 60Hz Full HD display is nice and crisp and perfectly poppy as well, which is ideal for more colourful, vibrant affair like Astro Bot. Strong contrast too for atmospheric titles like God of War Ragnarok. And you've got a pair of stereo speakers housed in that top frame. And this can spaff out some pretty loud, bassy, powerful audio on the max volume. You've also got a headphone jack built into the portal, and this handheld can also work wirelessly with Sony's own Pulse Elite headset and the Explore earbuds, but more on those in a bit. And the great news is the portal doesn't have to be connected to your home network to stream your game from your PS5. You can actually be connected to any Wi-Fi network that's hooked up to the internet. And Sony recommends an internet connection of at least 15 megabits per second for a smooth gaming experience. So yeah, the portal absolutely ideal for continuing your PS5 gaming session when the kids have gone and taken over the telly again. And you'll enjoy hours of gaming action on a single charge of this thing, generally around 6 to 7 hours in total, before you'll need to plug it back in. Next up is the Pulse Explore wireless earbuds, which like the other peripherals now comes in that sleek and sexy midnight black. Now the Pulse Explore buds use Sony's lag-free link tech to communicate wirelessly with your PS5 or your portal. The setup takes seconds with the portal, but if you are hooking up to the PS5, you'll have to make sure you've got a spare USB port for the bundled dongle, which hey, also comes in black. But yes, no dongle necessary for the PS portal, which has that link tech built in. Now you've got physical buttons on both of these buds. You've got a volume rocker up at the top edge, and then you've also got a pairing button down below. And as for the audio, well, PlayStation has bunged some planar magnetic drivers in here, coupled with lossless audio support, so the Pulse Explore earbuds are an oral treat, complete with a proper surround sound experience, ideal again for any action games. And the Pulse Explore don't offer up any kind of noise cancellation, but you do get some natural noise isolation, and you've also got dual integrated mics built into these buds with noise rejection, not noise cancellation. That noise is straight up rejected. And you can mute those mics when needed using the controller's mute button. Overall, you can expect roughly 5 hours of battery life from the Pulse earbuds before they need slapping back into their case. It's a rather snazzy sliding case, I should say. Absolutely adore this thing. They just slip back in there like so. And the case itself also has a built-in battery. You'll get roughly 3 full charges of those Pulse earbuds before the case also needs to be recharged. And then last up is the Pulse Elite wireless headset, also now available in, hey, you guessed it, midnight black. And this comes packed in yet another proper rugged hardware and case, but with pleasingly soft lining, and as well as the actual headset you've also got secreted in this dinky wee pouch, all the other bits you'll need, including a charging stand, and oh yes, another dongle for connecting to your PS5. Now the Pulse Elite wireless headset sports the same slinky curved aesthetics as the PlayStation 5 and looks even better than ever with its all new midnight black makeover. You've got proper full-on padding here, so they're like a warm hug for your head, and easy to access buttons for quickly tweaking the volume as well as muting that mic. Now the Pulse Elite wireless headset boasts the same link tech as the Pulse Explore earbuds, so once again you can enjoy lossless streaming with zero lag from your console, be it the PlayStation 5 or the PS Portal. They use similar planar drivers as the buds. You got that same 3D audio support as well to fully immerse you in your games. And yes, that same AI enhanced noise rejection from the built-in mic. And with a fully charged Pulse Elite, you'll enjoy up to 30 hours of gaming shenanigans, complete with fast charge support as well. So bung a USB cable in there just for about 10 minutes or so, and you'll enjoy another couple of hours of gaming before it finally runs dry. And there you have it, my lovelies. That is the fresh new Midnight Black collection for PlayStation, available, as I say, from February the 20th. Definitely give that link down in the video description a poke for all you need to know and to snuffle your very own. In the meantime, it'd be great to hear what you reckon down in the comments below. Please do poke subscribe and ding that notifications bell for more on the latest and greatest tech. A massive thanks again to PlayStation UK for sponsoring this video and keeping the lights on in Techspert Towers, and have yourselves a ruddy, wonderful rest of the week. Cheers everyone, love you!